Hey everyone, this video is for the Florida pi method variation video. The pi method that I use is just the first 6 digits of pi, so 314 and 159. What I like to do is just test the pi method and then see if that's going to work for the next 7 days, to try to find the next potential numbers. For Florida, they like Fridays. They also like box hit, -1 and +1. On October 13th, 041 hit. So you take 1 plus 4 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 0 plus 3 is 3. So 355. 041, subtract off the 314. 11 minus 4 is 7. 4 minus 1 is 3. And 10 minus 3 is 7. So 355 and 737 did not hit in the next 7 days. You take 355, which you got from up here, 355 plus 159. 5 plus 9 is 14. Keep the 4. 5 plus 5 is 10. Keep the 0. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So 404. You take 355, subtract off the 159. 15 minus 9 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. So 206. And 404 did not hit in the next 7 days. And then you also take 737, which you got from up here. 737 plus 159. 7 plus 9 is 16. Keep the 6. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 886. You also take 17 minus 9 is 8, 13 minus 5 is 8, and 7 minus 1 is 6. So 688 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to mirror the 041, which you got from over here. 041, the mirror of that is 596. 596 plus 314, so 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. 9 plus 1 is 10, keep the 0. And then 5 plus 3 is 8. 596, subtract off 314. 6 plus 4 is 2, or not 2. Wait a minute, hang on. 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 1 is 8, and then 5 minus 3 is 2. So 282 and 800 did not hit in the next 7 days. 800, that you got from up here, add 159. So 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 5 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. So 959. You're going to also subtract off the 159, so 10 minus 9 is 1, 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 8 minus 1 is 7. So 751, it did hit on October 17th as a box hit. 282 you got from up here. 282 plus 159. 2 plus 9 is 11. Keep the 1. 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep the 3. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So 331. You're going to also subtract off the 159. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. So 133. That one did not hit in the next 7 days. Okay, so from this point, I'm not going to tell you the numbers that did not hit. It'll only be the numbers that did hit. So 824, that one was the number that fell on October 20th. We're going to add on 314, so 4 plus 4 is 8, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 8 plus 3 is 1, so 138. You're going to add 1 to the 3 in the middle. I put that 1 in the wrong spot, so it should be 481, and that was a box hit on October 26th. You're going to take 824 from up here. I'm going to subtract off 314, so 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 8 minus 3 is 5, so 510. You're going to subtract off 159, so 10 minus 9 is 1. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, so 461. And then you're also going to subtract off 1 from 461, so that'll become 460. That was a box hit on October 22nd. You're going to mirror 824 to 379. 379 minus 314, so 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 1 is 6. And 3 minus 3 is 0, so 065. You're going to subtract off 065 minus 1, so 460. And then that one did hit as a box hit. I just don't recall what day that was. Or wait a minute, that's up there. So October 22nd. And then 379 plus 314, so 9 plus 4 is 13. Keep the 3. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, so 683. You're going to add on 159, so 3 plus 9 is 12, keep the 2. 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3. And then 6 plus 1 is 7, so 732. And then 732 plus 1 is going to give 733, and that was a box hit on October 21st. And then October 27th, 976 hit. You're going to subtract off the 314, so 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 9 minus 3 is 6, so 662. You're going to add on 159. And then 2 plus 9 is 11, keep the 1. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. And then 6 plus 1 is 7. So on this part, it was a miscalculation, but it did get a box hit, so I wanted to leave it in. So on that one, you would just reverse the 117 and then subtract off 159. So 17 minus 9 is 8, 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. And then 068, that was a box hit on October 31st. Okay, and then 473 hit on November 3rd. Subtract off 314, so 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then 4 minus 3 is 1. And then 169 plus 1 is going to give 160, and that was a box hit on November 4th. And then from this point, I'm just going to give you, so that was pretty much it. The rest is just showing the potential numbers that may hit in the next 7 days based on what we just covered. So, see, on November 10th, you had 661, You're going to mirror the 661 to 116, and then 116 plus 314, so 6 plus 4 is 10. Keep the 0. 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 4 is from 3 plus 1, so 420. I did circle that, but you'll need to disregard that. The remaining circled numbers are the numbers that might hit in the next 7 days. So 420 minus 159, 10 minus 9 is 1, 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 4 minus 1 is 3, so 371. And then you would also take 116 minus 314, so 6 minus 4 is 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 11 minus 3 is 8, so 802. And then you would also take 802 minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1, and then bring down the 80, so 801. And then you take 661 plus 314, so 1 plus 4 is 5, 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 6 plus 3 is 9, so 975. And then you're just going to add on 1 to that middle digit, so 985. And then 661, subtract off the 314, so 11 minus 4 is 7, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 6 minus 3 is 3, so 357. Subtract off 159, so 17 minus 9 is 8, 5 minus 5 is 0, and then 3 minus 1 is 2. And then you're going to take off 1 from that last digit. So 208 minus 1 is 207. Okay, and then you're going to mirror the 661 to 116. And then we already got the 420. So 420 plus 5 or plus 159. 0 plus 9 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 4 plus 1 is 5, so 579. Add 1, and then that's going to give, that should be so that is a typo, or not a typo, it's a mistake right there. So I would keep it in mind to possibly play the 578, but also keep in mind for 570 also, because that is an error right there. Ignore the X'd out right there, and then 6 minus, so 661, subtract off 314, so 11 minus 4 is 7, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 6 minus 3 is 357. And then you're going to also add on the 1 to give 358. So based on all that, the summary, so the next 7 days, potentially, you might have 570, 371, 801, 985, 207, 578, 358. I had marked down the 616 and 199, or that should be a 313 and a 199. In a lot of the states, 616, 199, and 313 will follow each other, but I did after I had written that down, I did a brief look at Florida, and I did not see those numbers at all. So you'll need to disregard the 616 and the 199 and 313 unless those patterns, unless they start to show up in Florida, but I'm not sure if that's the case for that state or not. So anyway, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the comments.